Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys like this format of video. I'm getting a lot more into crypto, so what I want to do is bring different coins to you guys over kind of the weeks or whatever of just more technical chart analysis, right? And we'll go over the charts and I'll tell you, hey, where I see support levels, if I like it. And these are more for quick little swing trades, day trades, swing trades, hold them for a couple days, things like that. But before we go any further, make sure you guys check out my website. Links down below. My S&P Emini trade zones. Also, I just made a 2-hour video course that I included. It's only $99 for a one-time payment. And in that video course, you can learn how to draw the trade zones even on crypto like this, right? What I normally do on the S&P futures, I teach you how to do it on anything, any stock, things like that. So make sure you check that out. But let's jump into it. So the stock or the crypto that we're looking at is WBNB wrap Binance with SON, which is Son of Shib. This is tradable on Pancake Swap. I actually bought some of this this past week when we were at 10 on this breakout. And then it ran all the way up to 50. That was like a 400% move. And then it's come all the way back down. I would give you a couple levels to watch. And the first level would probably be right around this 12 level. And then the second level would be around 8. So maybe somewhere inside there, look for a potential bounce, and then maybe this thing could get back up, start making higher highs, higher lows after a nice consolidation and after a nice quick run up. So again, none of this is trading advice. I'm just more some guy on YouTube giving you guys technical analysis levels where we may bounce, and you could look for maybe a 50, 100% to 300, who knows, but always manage your risk. But if you guys do like these type of little formats and all that, let me know. Just leave a comment down below if you want to see me do more of these, of different coins, bring them to your attention, of things that are beat down that may actually rally. So with that being said, I want to wish you all happy holidays, a Merry Christmas. I am doing this on Christmas evening, and hopefully you guys appreciate it. Until then, we'll talk to you soon.